Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm the crochet designer behind the Country Cottage CAL. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work tapestry crochet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Tapestry crochet is a way of making coloured patterns within your crochet work by carrying non-active yarn colours within the stitches. For all tapestry crochet patches, written instructions are provided for the first row. All remaining rows are then worked from the tapestry crochet charts. In this video, we will work up the turnip patch together. Each square on the chart represents one double crochet stitch. Odd number rows represent the right side of the work and are worked from right to left. Even number rows are the wrong side of the work and are worked from left to right. The colours on the chart represent the colours used in the pattern. As we can see from the chart, rows 1 and 2 are worked using denim yarn only. They are non-tapestry crochet rows. To begin, chain 12 and work 2 rows of double crochet as directed within the written pattern. Here we are at the beginning of row 3. This is the first tapestry crochet row. Chain 1. We now need to work 5 double crochet stitches in denim, followed by 1 double crochet stitch with white. To do this, we will need to change yarn colour before completing the last denim stitch so that we are ready to work the next stitch in white. Let's work our first 4 double crochet stitches in denim. To work the final stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Release the denim yarn to the back of the work and yarn over with white. Pull through both loops on the hook to complete the stitch. The next stitch will be worked over the top of the denim yarn. As we're only working 1 stitch with white, we will need to change colour back to denim before completing this stitch. Yarn over with white. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Release the white yarn to the back of your work and yarn over with denim. Pull through both loops on the hook to complete the stitch. As this is the last stitch to be worked in white in this row, the white yarn can be left on the wrong side of the work to be picked up again in the following row. Continue to double crochet across to the end of the row with denim. Turn your work at the end of row 3. Be sure to untangle the yarn balls at the end of each row. To begin row 4, we need to work 4 stitches with denim, followed by 3 stitches with white. Chain 1, work the first 3 stitches with denim. Before completing the 4th stitch, pick the white yarn up from the wrong side of the work, where it is waiting from row 3. Release the denim yarn to the wrong side of the work. Yarn over with white and pull through both loops on the hook. You are now ready to work the next 3 stitches in white. These stitches will be worked over the top of the denim yarn. Always be sure to gently pull any carried yarns before changing colour to ensure that all yarns lay flat within the work. Continue following the chart in the same way, with 2 colour changes per row until you reach the end of row 8. I'll meet you there. You can now fasten off the white yarn as you will no longer need this colour. To work row 9, turn your work and chain 1. Insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Release the denim yarn and yarn over with magenta. Pull through both loops on the hook. The magenta stitches will now be worked over the top of the denim yarn until the denim yarn is needed again to make the final stitch in the row. Continue following the chart in the same way until you reach row 17, noting that the magenta yarn can be fastened off after row 12, and the green yarn will be joined in row 13. Row 17 to 25 will require you to make a number of colour changes through each row. To work row 17, chain 1, work 2 double crochet stitches with denim, changing to green with the last yarn over of the second stitch. Make 1 stitch with green, working over the top of the denim yarn, changing back to denim with the last yarn over of the stitch. Repeat this twice more. Release the green yarn to the wrong side of the work once the final stitch has been made in this colour in row 17, ready to be picked up again in the following row. Continue following the chart until you reach the end of row 27.